Driving down the tree-covered road, you notice the rolling hills and surrounding pastures, ranchettes and lake homes overlooking Lake Eldorado. Arriving at the acreage, you ascend the winding driveway to the cleared home site surrounded by oaks and hardwoods situated 70 feet above the road. The 5.16-acre site is conveniently located 6.5 miles from both downtown Mount Dora and Eustis and less than 9 miles from the 429 interchange. Walking distance to Lake May Reserve and area blueberry farms. Country living and lifestyle with all of the conveniences and access to enjoy.